Here we have an awesome 2020 Tracker Nitro Z20. Owner estimates less than 20 hours on the boat. Swing tongue on the trailer, has steps to go up the front. Minn Kota All-Trex trolley motor with iPilot. It's got the sonar on there. 80-pound thrust. Tandem axle trailer with a spare. It's got a Mercury Pro XS 250 horse, stainless prop, dual power poles. Also has dual Helix 12 screens. Live wells, 3 seats here, an extra fishing seat, tilt steering. Lots of storage. Check this out. Rod storage. There's compartments all over. Little seat there. Very, very nice boat. Excellent condition. 3 batteries. We do offer financing. Stop in at SkipperBud's and check this one out.